Hello, my name is Phoebe, and today I'm going to show you all the features for Sumopaint X for Chromebook. This app is web-based, so all I do is search it up and press on the Sumopaint X tab. Once everything loads, we will see our canvas. I'm currently using a non-Chromebook device, but on Chromebook all the features will be the same. Firstly, you're able to move the screen forward with your mouse pad. You can move your canvas anywhere. For this drawing, I'm going to do a little skyline view of the ocean. So to hop right into that, the first thing I'm going to do is grab our color. Press on the colored dot at the bottom of your screen. Once you press on the dot, this screen will come up. It's filled with a ton of different colors to choose from, and to create yourself. You have a full range of any colors you want to pick. For this drawing, to get started with the ocean, I'm going to pick a nice light blue color. You also notice these little arrows on the side of the callout box. Pressing these arrows will just close everything. It gives you more space and more room. When you close the top one, it gives you access to change the tone of the color. And now once you have the color you want, we can begin on the drawing. To close any item that you use, tap on it again. For our first feature, press on this pen symbol. It'll open up this. Then press on the bucket symbol. With the bucket symbol, anything we press will turn that color. So if we press the background will turn our pretty blue color. Once you're done with the bucket and you don't need to color anything anymore, press back on the bucket symbol and select pen again to keep drawing. To find more types of brushes, select on the little squiggly line at the bottom of the screen, right there. It'll open up to this screen, which has a ton of different brushes to choose from, and different colors and textures. Very cool pens and things you'll be able to add to your future drawings. For now, I'm just going to focus on the normal pens. I'm going to select a darker blue color to draw a little line where our sand is going to be on the ocean. It's okay if the line looks wonky, it'll be covered up anyway by the sand we're going to draw soon. Perfect! Now we can select our lighter sand color. I picked a nice light yellow color. You can change the size of the pen by using these dots at the side. I changed it really big to make it faster. And now we can start drawing our nice sandy beach. Look how it grows. Beautiful. To go into further detail, these dots on the side control a lot of different things about the pen. It can control the size, the color, the hue, and the opacity, or the clearness of the pen. Okay, now we're on to our next feature. Press back on the pen symbol. When the box opens up, press on this arrow-looking thing. This arrow lets you move around your drawing if it's in the wrong place, or if you want to change the area of your drawing. Also, to segue into another important feature is the back and forward feature. With these arrows, with the back button you can remove something, and with the forward button you can undo the remove. Very cool. Okay, the drawing looks great so far, but I want to add a nice beach towel. Open on the box and select the dotted box symbol. With this feature, we're going to use the mouse to pull and make a little box shape of our towel. I want to make a nice small towel right there on the sand. I want my towel color to be red, so I want to pick a nice bright red color. And so because of this feature, when we color on our towel, the lines don't go outside the box. Okay, I finished the towel and added a nice little stripe in the middle. And I'll show you a feature that could be a little shortcut to that. Open back up that little box and select on the box symbol, right by the bucket symbol. This symbol is just like the last one, except when we draw on it, it does that color automatically. So since I have the light color of red picked, it'll make a light color of red box. Okay, time for one of the most important features. Open up the gray box again and select the eraser symbol. The eraser is one of the most important features because it's, well, an eraser. It can erase any mistake that you've made over the course of drawing. And making mistakes is part of drawing, so don't be ashamed if you have to use the eraser at some point. I do all the time. Alright, time for one of my favorite features. Press on the callout box and select this weird pattern thing. I call it the glitter brush. You can see why I call it that when I use it, because when you draw, it creates a nice glitter effect. I love it so much. I think it's so bright and perfect for water. And I'm going to play this feature with the smudge tool feature. Select on the smudge symbol. With the smudge, I can move the glitter around to make a little water effect and make it look more smooth. Perfect. Now I want to show you a quick little feature. Open up the box again and select on the eyedrop tool. With the eyedrop tool, you can select other colors you've already used before. So when you select it, it changes the color at the bottom. Okay, now we're on to another really important feature. It's the layer feature. Press on this symbol at the bottom of the screen. When you open up the layer feature, this screen will pop up. You use the plus to add a layer, and you can use the down arrow to merge the layer into one. And you use this symbol by the merge layer to copy the layer, to make two of the same drawing. But my favorite part of this feature is this circle symbol on the side. When you press it, you have access to a ton of different features. Look at this, pixelate, display spin blur, it's amazing. For example, when